for being the only normal thing in my crazy upside-down world.
To being normal. Roxanne,
Yes?
say I wasn't so normal. Let's say I was bald and had the complexion of a popular primary color as a random, non-specific example. Would you still enjoy my company?
Of course. You don't judge a book by its cover or person from the outside.
Oh, that's a relief to hear.
You judge them based on their actions.
Well, that seems kind of petty, don't you think? What? Oh! Don't look at me! Just a technical glitch. Don't look yet.
Well, never mind that.
Ow! Where were we? Now, hold on.
You!
I can explain. What about everything you just said? About judging a book by its cover?
Well, let's take a look at the contents then, shall we? You destroyed Metro Man, you took over the city, and then you actually got me to care about you! Why are you so evil? Tricking me? What could you possibly hope to gain? Wait a minute. Oh, I don't believe this. Do you really think that I would ever be with you?
No.